You will see the next few screens if your concern is about new or updated flood hazard information. Note what your concern with the preliminary flood hazard information is about, such as base flood elevations, base flood depths, floodplain or floodway boundaries, zone designations, hazard analysis methodology used. If you have a concern that isn't listed, enter it in the other text field. Click on any of the blue hyperlink text for a definition of the particular term. Click on the Continue button when you're done.